were, this will load here. Let's reload this site. If you guys are new to Winible, go over there to Winible. It's winnable.com/907fantasysports and get on there. Subscribe to the free plan. I sent this one out for free yesterday. This was on YouTube. So 5 into 8 there. We hit the Washington Huskies money line there for a nice win. Then we have this one, half green, going into Sunday with Kushan Judkins, running back for Cleveland Browns. We have this one, half green. And then we have one other one. We have the Carolina Hurricanes, half green today. I must have forgotten to put that one in there. But make sure to go over there and get logged in. Get on the Winible. It's free to do. And you can go over there and start playing. So if you guys are new to Chalkboard, go over there and get on Chalkboard. It's $20 free money just for signing up using the code 907fantasy. Same with over here on Sleeper. Sign up. They're going to give you $20 of free money. They're also going to give you this Jared Goff free square to add in when you use the code 907fantasy to sign up. So looking at today's games, we have a lot of great games on today. Ohio State versus Illinois. That shouldn't be a very close game. Ohio State should win it, but should still be a fun game to watch. Alabama, Missouri, Florida State, Pitt. I like SMU. We'll go through a few that I like the money line for. I like Ohio State money line, Florida State. I like SMU on the money line, Cincinnati on the money line, Houston on the money line. Let's see here. Army you could take on the money line. I'm not going to bet anything on that one, but they should win that one outright. Ole Miss definitely is going to smack Washington State. They won't even let you bet the money line on that one. It's too far of a spread there. Oregon, Indiana, that should be a great game. Oregon should win that one. Oh, Georgia Tech should win this one. I like Notre Dame on the money line here. Iowa State, Colorado should be a fun game. Penn State, I like them on the money line. TCU, I like watching TCU. They just like to air the ball out. It's fun to watch. Old Dominion, taking them on the money line. Coming back down here, Tennessee, I like them on the money line. Texas A&M money line. Texas Tech, taking Texas Tech money line plus some over 6.5 or minus 6.5 for Texas Tech there. Georgia, Michigan, I like Michigan here. USC is good, but I think I'll take Michigan, but we'll see on that one. Haven't put any bets in yet. Clemson, I like Clemson on the money line. LSU money line, BYU money line, and Utah. That should be a fun game though. So coming over here with Prizepicks, let's see what they got going for us today. We got a Gunner Stockton discounted square, so let's play on that one. We'll take Gunner Stockton. Let's see what Kevin Jennings been doing here. A 250. We'll take him over 250. And then any others that I'm liking here. Should be a great day for college football. Let's see what Jaden Mayava has been doing. Going up against Michigan. It should be airing the ball out there, like a 2.5 point favorite here. If this will load here. Let's come back. So while that's loading, make sure to go over there and get on Winible. It's winnable.com/907fantasysports. You can go over there and get on either the free plan. That's free to do. I send out multiple free plays there every day. The VIP gold level, college football, NFL season pass, and the full week pass, those are all 75% off with the code NFL. So make sure to go over there and get locked in. And congrats to everybody that took advantage of the $5 Friday yesterday. Get a nice day there. I like Jaden Mayava over 200 passing yards here, so we'll take him there. And then that'll be that play. So take this one. It's Gunner Stockton, discounted pick. We'll lock that in, 5 into 13. Nice little win there. And then Perfect. And then let's go back here and let's go find us another good one. So we're giving out multiple free plays today. Let's look at Garrett and Nussmeier. He hasn't been slinging like last year. Okay. Darren Morton. What's he been doing for us? Just inconsistent there. Don't like that. Josh Hoover. I feel like we're going to take Josh Hoover, and then I got a couple good receiving ones that I'm liking. Man, the computer is slow today. But like I said, go over there, get on Sleeper, get on Chalkboard. They're going to give you $20 of absolutely free money to go play with. No point in not locking that in. So we're going to take Josh Hoover over 225. And then we're going to go over here to receiving yards. And there's one specific one that I'm looking for. And he is right here. Casey Concepcion. We're going to take him over 40 receiving yards. Looking at what he's been doing, he's been averaging 80 over the last 5. He went for 72, 73, 82, 113, and 61. So give me 40 from KC. And then we'll go over here, one more in rushing yards. So let's find where it's at. Where are we at? Jeremiah Love. No, we're not going to take him. Okay. Katron Allen, Penn State running back. What's Nick Singleton been doing? It's inconsistent. Those lines are. I like taking the overs. Taking the unders, it's not very fun to watch. I was rooting for them to go over. Justice Haynes, over 70. We're going to take this one. So that is the official free play for today. We're going to take Justice Haynes. This will load here so we can see it. But pretty sure we're going to take him over 70 rushing yards. Then Casey Concepcion over 40 receiving yards. And then Hoover over 225 passing yards. Man, this does not want to load. If we go to another site here. Come back here. Well, that is the official free play. Not sure why this won't load, but that's what we're going to take today. So we're going to take, it won't even load for me to put it in. Okay, 5 into 8 here. We'll see if this, okay, here we go. So he's averaging 130. He's gone over this line in all 5 of his last games. So take that. That's the official free play. Josh Hoover over 225. Casey Concepcion over 40 receiving. And then Justice Haynes over 70 rushing yards. So we'll get that locked in. And there we go. View my lineup. Lock that in. Go over there to Winible. Get subscribed. Hop on the free plan or any one of the full week VIP or season pass. So good luck with all your plays today. Today is going to be a great day. College football. We have a lot of amazing games on. So good luck. And we'll see you guys tomorrow for some NFL